Welcome. Since the syllabus of A-level psychology has changed, many students have requested for the guest paper for the Feb March event as well. So for those who are looking forward for paper 1, paper 11, paper 12, approaches and issues and debate. First question I think so it will be from Holzel study of mindfulness and brain scans. Which method of sampling was used? Name two features of the sample used in the study. Because this is important like opportunity sampling, etc. From the study of ended doodling, again from the old syllabus, what was the difference in the task of control group and experimental participants, right? So you should remember this, that what was the difference, and then what was the surprise test, that they have to recall places, etc. Okay, and the difference is important because on the A4 paper they had that shapes thing, so that is the hint for you. Similarly, then describe three behaviors that were part of the trunk wash in the study by Fajan et al. Elephant learning. Describe what was measured in experiment 1 and 2 of Perry et al. Okay, so this is important. Personal space, and identify three ways in which the procedure for experiment 2 was standardized in the study. Then from Savater and Silverman, this is from the old past papers. Outline how the subjective rating of distress was measured in this study. Describe how the rating changed over the first three sessions in response to imagining hundreds of buttons falling on his body. Hasid et al. Describe the results obtained because results are very important. So often students miss this. Please focus on the results as well. Most of them study till the procedures and then they think that the results won't come, but it comes in the exams. Sorry, this is extra. Explain one methodological weakness of the study. Then coming to question number 7, two friends Wasim and Naeem are discussing the Piliaman study in terms of a debate of individual and situation analysis, outline the debate and situation and explanation in psychology, and then one believes the individual side, the other believes the situational side, outline which one do you think is correct using the evidence from the study. A typical question. Then describe the shock generator that was used in the Milgram study, obedience. Then we have some research has found that children readily imitate behavior shown by an adult model when that model is present. Describe two ways in which Bandura et al. Study aggression differs from this. Then explain one result from the Bandura et al. Study that supports social learning theory and one result that does not support social learning theory. Then coming to the last question, often students ask that which question should be the last. So this would be the evaluation study. Evaluate the study by Oslo et al. Lineups in terms of two strengths and two weaknesses. At least one of the evaluation point must be about reliability. So this is what I think the paper would be. Most of the times, since I think so 2019 onwards, the last, especially the last evaluation part and these two questions often used to come from my guesses. So it has been pretty much accurate. Let's see what happens this time. Since it's a guess, please also focus on other studies. I am also looking at one of the questions of social salience hypothesis. So also look at that from the Fajan. Social salience because I didn't include it over here. So I have made basically 2-3 mocks. So this is one of them. Best of luck for the exam.